Welcome to Kingsfeel Academic. Today I'll be teaching you how to lace your corporate shoes like a pro. If you're new to this channel, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Let's go. So first off, you should divide your lace into 3 equal parts, right? One should be going up to the instep and the other part should be used to go around your shoes. That's how it's been done. It's very easy. So come with me. So you see, gradually, very easy. So these are the extra things that makes your shoe looks dapper. Attention to details. Oh, here we go. So you don't need any professional. You can do this from the comfort of your home. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share if you find this video helpful. Thank you.